North Coast Medical has developed technology that allows our professional healthcare customers to easily offer products for sale to their clients without any inventory costs. Easily add the products most often recommended by your therapist to your website. Perfect for getting the exact product to your client from a trusted source. Welcome to our Virtual Showroom e-commerce affiliate program. The Virtual Showroom is an easy-to-install, fully functional e-commerce platform designed specifically for rehab healthcare providers. Virtual Showroom integrates seamlessly into your existing website and gives your clients direct access to the products their therapists have recommended. It is simple to create a virtual showroom of your own and requires no programming skills. The Virtual Showroom adds a virtual shopping mall to any website. With 12 specialty stores and thousands of quality products to choose from, your patients will find exactly what they need to speed up their recovery. Among the highlights of the Virtual Showroom include a customizable storefront. Select the featured products you would like to showcase on the scrolling hero bar. Select the featured categories you would like to display and color match the store to match your website with our custom VSR builder. Color-matched icons seamlessly integrate with your website. The Virtual Showroom adapts to mobile devices and tablets, so you don't miss a sale. Benefits of using the Virtual Showroom include no inventory requirements, full customer service support, competitive prices for all products, and no annual, monthly, or transaction fees. All of our product sales come with a full product warranty and our 100% satisfaction and return policy. In order to ensure that your business runs uninterrupted, the Virtual Showroom is equipped with the best technology available. It operates on its own web server, so your website performance will not be affected. Quickly create and maintain your Virtual Showroom with do-it-yourself technology and easy-to-use tools. Fully modular, you can post products on blogs, websites, online ads, or social media. Use the simple copy and paste feature to start selling products in minutes. Take control of your e-commerce store with the easy-to-use affiliate dashboard. The code generator is an easy-to-use interface that generates the HTML code snippet used to embed Virtual Showroom into your website. Choose the custom VSR builder for the most complete installation. Widgets for individual components, or products and categories to choose specific categories or products. Ready to direct more traffic to your online store? Use the link generator to get customers to your Virtual Showroom in a single click. If you are interested in installing the Virtual Showroom, links, or widgets onto your website, but do not have the web development capabilities, we are here to help. All you have to do is fill out our white glove support form. Our technical staff is here to help ensure that your Virtual Showroom installation looks and performs perfectly, all at no cost to you. The Virtual Showroom's robust software provides a variety of analytics to help you succeed in affiliate marketing. The following is a brief overview of some important reporting metrics available in Virtual Showroom. Quick Stats gives you a quick overview of all the tracked events, impressions, clicks, sales, and commissions for a select time period. Trends Report displays the trends of your transactions in the chart as well as in the data field. You will have a clear picture of where your affiliate program is going. In Commissions, you will see a list of all transactions and commissions registered by the system. With Raw Clicks, you can find all the clicks to your store referred by you. Check all past commission payouts under Payouts to Me. Use Commission by Product to see what products sell the most on your VSR store. You are just 3 simple steps away from having your own e-commerce store on your existing website. Sign up, select your featured products categories, and copy and paste into your website. With all of these features, full customer service support, and no inventory requirements, what could be better? How does earning a commission of up to 25% on most products sound? That's right! By using the Virtual Showroom, you're part of Team North Coast. And for being part of our team, we'll reward you with a commission on every sale. For more information on the Virtual Showroom or to schedule a live demonstration, please contact your sales rep or customer service department at 1-800-821-9319. or email at custserve@ncmedical.com.